Hey guys, welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. Today I'm cleaning out Charlie and Scooter's covey cage. I do it once a week and just to make sure that they're in a clean environment. I know they very much appreciate it. I do put them in this temporary cage right here and then give them what their favorite goodies, some Timothy hay and some of the bag of treats I get from, it's called Sunburst. I get it from Petco. You might can find it on Amazon as well. And I put a little hideaway there for them and they just go to work while I clean their cage. So I've already taken out the coroplast and wiped it down. I do use wipes. I put in their little storage bin here. I just get these from Walmart and I just take out the little baby wipes, make sure it's no perfumes. And I just go ahead and use these to wipe down the coroplast and also to clean off anything that they may have urine on it. And then I go ahead and replace them with these nice little soft cloths. But I get these different coverings here. I don't use the bedding that some people use. I just think it's too messy and it's just time consuming for me. But I think, use what's best for you and how it works out for you. But I go ahead and I put these down and I get them from Walmart and they're really, really good to go. You probably can find a bunch of these in bulk on Amazon as well. As an additional hideaway for them, I also got this bin. This is actually a laundry bin from the Dollar Tree, I believe. But you just slide it under here. I slide it under here so they can have an extra hideaway under there, and they absolutely loved it. I cut out all the lines of plastic right there, and they just love going in there and hiding under their little nice fleece. I do put another pad in here as well, so to just protect the coroplast. And so they like to go there sometimes, but this is one of their favorite places to go. And so I got these from Amazon, and I saw the reviews on them and I was like, I don't know if they're gonna go in them or not, but they actually love them, especially Scooter. Scooter absolutely loves them. And they come with these little clamps where you clamp it to your cage on each side here. And I found that to make them a little bit closer to the ground, to the bottom of the cage here, I did get some of these ties here that you can get out of your trash bags. They're very flexible. And I just wrapped it around here, and then I go ahead and clamp them, one of these clamps to it, and go ahead and set them up. And I'll show you how that looks. So as you can see, I use the ties to wrap it down just to make it lower so that when I clamp it on, it'll go ahead and be low enough for them to go into. Sometimes when Charlie gets very excited, he does jump on the top of them, which is really nice. But as you can see, the material is very nice and soft. The inside is very nice and soft as well. Gives them a nice place to hide. So I'll put where I got these on Amazon in the comments below. What I do normally is I will turn them on inside out because this is probably full of poopy from the Guinea weenies. So what I do, turn it inside out. I'll put a little bit of soap detergent on this, where the stain is from the poopy, and then I'll rub it in, and then I'll drop it in the washer with the rest of their other stuff, and then I'll wash it and it comes out very clean, as you can see, back clean again. So I reuse these every week. I also have 4, so when I replace these 2, I'm washing the other 2 to get ready for the next clean. So then I give them their Timothy hay. I make it very, very high so that they like to go in and dive in and deep and find. They really like this part of the Timothy hay. These buds here, they look for them. The first thing they look for when they go for their Timothy hay is these things. They love these. And then I set up my water bottles. I have 2, one for each guinea pig. It seems to be working out really well, but they still kind of seem like they compete for one or the other anyway, but they have 2 if they want them. But tonight, it's lettuce and carrots, and they are excited. Look at them. See? Anxiously waiting. So all I do is put it here for them, and they go to town. There they are. All right, guys, enjoy. Bon appetit. All right, guys, you guys have a nice evening. Thanks for hanging out with me. That's Charlie, that's Scooter, and we hope that you have a nice evening, or if you're watching this during the day, have a nice day. Take care of yourself, guys. God bless. Bye-bye.